So TSMC has just released their results, their Q3 2024. So in this video, we will be doing a review on their earnings. Okay, now, so as usual in this video, this is what you'll be discovering. First, I will share with you the company news. Then we will go through the financial results and see how they perform. Then we will dig out any important information that we need to know from the earnings call. And of course, other juicy news that we need to know that will enhance, and foresee how's the business performance like in the future. Go through the valuation and then the summary. Okay, let's get started. Now, company news. So TSMC stock has jumped 10%, after the earnings. It means that very good news lah. And of course, so far, for the past 2 years, the stock price has always keep on going up lah now. Yeah. So this is the press release that they released. So it's not really much information, very, very basic information. Yeah. So all we know that their third quarter revenue increased by 39%, which is really incredible, for for a brick and mortar semiconductor company, that produces hardware. So to be able to achieve 40%, growth is really incredible. Yeah, net income, 54.2%. Gross margin, very, very high. Operating margin also very, very good. Yeah, at 57% and 47%. Okay. Now, press release doesn't really tell us much about the performance, but don't worry, since you watch this video, I'll give you a lot of value. So let's go through the financial results, and their historical performance. So TSMC, yes, you all know in 2022, it was a recession and stuff, so the business was going down. But after that, in 2023, with the boom AI and stuff, that's when all the orders come, revenue continue to grow. So as you can see for this recent quarter, yeah, it's correct. At 39% growth, the revenue, right, together with the operating income and the net income. Then margins are incredible. Margins are quite stable at around 15%, and that has been going up for this quarter at 57% gross profit margin. Is the red color gross profit margin. The operating margin at 48%, net profit margin at 42%, which is really, really very high. Very, very incredible. So I guess no wonder why the stock price has been going up. Yeah. And then the balance sheet, this company is very safe, very strong financially. Yeah. Red color is their total asset. Blue color is the total liabilities. As you can see, the total cash, which is this orange color one, is the same as their whole total liabilities. That means they can just straight away cover the whole total liabilities. Very, very solid. Yeah. Then the 2.57 times it is the current ratio, and their cash ratio is 1.75 times. Yeah. So very strong company, very solid balance sheet. Cash flow statement, no issue. There's been generating positive cash flow for every single quarter, except of course for this quarter here, where the free cash flow go down. But recently, on the latest quarter, same thing, positive cash flow and positive free cash flow. So in terms of the financial side, no issue. No issue with the business. I have no complaints. Yeah. The gist of this video here is, of course, on the earnings call. And this is where you will discover, what's really happening, and then, how is their business like in the future. And we can discover this from the earnings call. So number one, it seems that TSMC can still continue to grow. Yeah, because they are currently supported a lot by AI growth. Yeah, so you can see in what this chairman and CEO say, we continue to observe extremely robust AI-related demand from our customers through the second half of 2024. This is the current business and of course in the future. So he also said we now forecast the revenue contribution from AI and stuff to more than triple this year, especially from server AI processors. So no issue currently, and then there's a lot of demand from AI currently. Yeah. So the next one, it seems that what the CEO here say on their growth, should be quite real. Because you can see TSMC are currently building 6 new fabrication plants already in order to support future demand. And of course, I won't bore you with all of this very long dialogue from this CEO. I already summarized everything for you. Yeah. So these 6 fabrication plants here are all already in the plan. They are not delaying. It's already in the plan. So Arizona here, they have 3 fabrication plants. So the first plant here, has already ongoing. It's already ongoing already. Yeah. And then volume production is expected to start in 2025. The second one in 2028, and the third one by the end of the decade, 2029 and 2030. Then they have 2 plants, in Japan, Kumamoto, Japan here. So the first one has already started production this quarter. The second one, again, there's no delay. They already do the land preparation and stuff already. So it will begin by the quarter of next year, and then volume production, which means mass production, will be end of 2027. So they are all ongoing already. Then there's another 1 fabrication plant in Germany. This Germany here, they say there will be volume production by the end of 2027. So all of these here, I feel that, TSMC won't be that stupid, of course, that, to invest billions okay, billions to build fabrication plants here when they cannot foresee demand in the future. And it's quite aggressive that they are able to, immediately start 6 new ones. So it seems that in their own, whatever that they know, the data that they have, okay, they can foresee future demands for semiconductor. Yeah, that's why they already have these 6 fabrication plants. So, and not only that, one, how to say, what is the guy's name? One analysts, okay, in the earnings call, they ask whether, this AI is just a hype, or whether is this use case is quite real or not. So for the CEO, they say whether this demand AI is real or not. Well, what he say here is that it's real. Okay, because he have talked to all of the customers all the time. Okay, and they, because of this, right, they have the widest and deepest look at than anyone in this industry. And of course, AI is also real for them because TSMC also uses AI and machine learning in their factories. And of course, when he uses AI, it gives a 1% productivity gain for them, which equal to Taiwan dollars 1 billion, okay, to TSMC. And this is tangible ROI benefit. So AI is real, okay, it's giving ROI, it's giving results to people. So it's not a hype, it's not a fake one. Yeah, so I think it's real again. Yeah. Then semiconductor demand again will continue to grow. Yeah, the analysts ask whether how's the view, how's the outlook like, whether it's already peaked already. So the CEO said the demand is real. Okay, I believe it's just the beginning of this demand. So one of my key customers said the demand right now is insane, that it's just the beginning and it will continue for many, many years. All right. So overall semiconductor demand, except AI, okay, except AI, everything will stabilize and start to improve. So it seems that, the semiconductor industry for the next few years, it seems to be quite good. It will continue to grow and the CEO is quite confident. Yeah. Okay, next, other information. Now, this is a very juicy news, of course, for TSMC. Yeah, you know why? Because you see, the top fabrication companies, they have their own fabrication plants, right? Samsung, Intel, these are the biggest ones, okay, and TSMC. And you can see over here, Intel currently, they already delayed and hit pause on their fabrication plants. Okay, Intel, you can see here, and not only that, their foundry business currently is still facing losses. Okay, then Samsung, okay, also delays their factory. Okay, so they also delay. They have two. Okay, they have one in Taylor, Texas, and one in Korea. Pyeongtaek here. Okay, so how does this benefit TSMC? Very simple. Because these three are the biggest fab companies in the whole world, right? Okay, and they serve a lot of customers. So when customers, for example, in Samsung and Intel, okay, they see that you are delaying, you cannot fulfill my request, my demand, right? Then it will affect my business. And that is why, okay, I foresee, of course, okay, I foresee that, some of these clients here, all right, will move, okay, to TSMC, and it will heavily benefit TSMC because TSMC right now, they are on track. Okay, their plan is they are on track, to build new plants to support the market. As you can see here, like for example, this headline, Samsung reportedly delays purchase of Fab 2s, okay, for Fab in Texas, faces challenges with securing clients. So it may seem like a headwind right now. Okay, sorry, not headwind, it's a tailwind. Okay, tailwind for TSMC when their competitors are facing issues, they are delaying. Okay, for both Intel and Samsung. So I foresee some of the customers, okay, will be going over to TSMC, and this bodes very well, okay, for the business for TSMC. All right, yeah. Oh yeah, okay. So what I say here is true. Yeah, I forgot about this slide. Sorry, guys. Okay, so TSMC Samsung's foundry customers reportedly flocked, okay, to TSMC. Three firms already moved to Taiwanese chipmaker in the latest exodus. So, okay, you see, according to this ZDNet, South Korean developers of AI processors, right, that used to make chips at Samsung turned to TSMC already. Okay, this list of companies, they prefer TSMC production nodes over Samsung, of course, and other things. Okay, so let's see how, okay, for TSMC business in the future. Okay, now let's go to the valuation side. Whether is it expensive or still reasonable, or is it cheap right now? Okay, and of course, before I move forward here, I did an S&L video. Okay, it's also another semiconductor company that is one of the most, I would say, one of the most powerful semiconductor companies in the whole world. So if you want to know what is this company about, okay, you can click the link down below. I already shared it in this video, okay, and go and take a look, okay, because let me tell you this company right now, okay, is a very good opportunity, okay, if you're a stock investor. So don't miss out. Yeah, and take a look. Yeah, so you can see here the price has already dropped 20% after they release their results. Okay, so you want to know why? Okay, is it justified? Okay, how's the long-term progress? It's all shared in the video there. Okay, so again, if you like this kind of content so far, right, again, do continue to subscribe. So for example, right now, I'm already doing earning reviews with you guys. I share with you all the stock opportunities. You don't want to miss out on anything, just continue to subscribe. Okay, now, so valuation, okay, for TSMC. Now, we all know the stock has already continued to go up. So it's no wonder, okay, in our own personal view here, the valuation is really, really, very, very stretched. Okay, it's very expensive right now. So on average, the price to sales ratio should be around 8 times. Currently, the market, okay, pays them at 12 times. And I know, okay, some of you may say, yeah, because, there's foreseen demand continue to grow, and they are currently so-called going to be a monopoly because of issues and other stuff. This is the thing here that we should be more careful right now. Okay, whenever the stock price go up, all you hear from is good news. Okay, and any positive information and news to justify the high valuation. Yeah. But again, just be prudent stock investors here. All we know the price is quite expensive right now, and then just be careful. Okay. So let me share with you my view here, okay, as stock investors. So whenever we saw a very good, very powerful stock, right? But hey, the price is quite expensive, very overvalued, right? So what should we do next? Okay, so let me share with you, my own personal strategy. The first thing, of course, is to add to your watch list. So for example, okay, I'm not talking in general. Okay, I'm moving outside from TSMC already. So in general, if you saw a very good stock, hey, you research and you find it's very good, you can add to your watch list first. Right? And then you continue to monitor the business, and then of course the price. If it's still a very, very expensive, okay, no problem. Okay, just continue to add and monitor and wait. Just be patient. Yeah. So, but of course, you may say that, hey, this price now going up, right? If I didn't buy now, price may go up. Okay, price may continue to go up. You are not wrong also. Okay, because you can see this is how the stock market works. Price may go up, price may also go down. We will never foresee that one in the future, right? So you may say, oh yeah, okay, it's very expensive. I didn't buy. But if I buy that, now the price already continue to go up 20-30%. I miss out. No, okay, this is how you should think about it. Okay, as a prudent stock investor, okay, to be able to continue, okay, to make money from stocks, to build wealth safely and consistently, right? I suggest you guys, okay, to only invest when the chances of making money are heavily in your favor. Okay, let me repeat that. It's very important because there are so many opportunities. There are so many stocks that can go up, can help you make money. I understand that. But to be able to differentiate yourself, to give you an edge, okay, and give higher returns than others, right, is you when you pick a certain stock, only pick, okay, and invest when the chances of making money are heavily in your favor. Yeah, because you see, for currently right now, let's say a certain stock valuation is very stretched, very expensive, right? You must understand here. Yes, price may go up. I know that. That's how the stock market works, right? But you see, I view this as, this way. Yes, valuation are stretched, I keep on going up. It may continue to go up. But it feels that the chances of it going to go up is around 20% only. Right? But the prices of them going down, okay, is quite high. It should be around 80%. This is how I see it. Because whenever I buy a stock at a very high price, right, it's not in my favor. The chances of them going down is quite high, right? And prices continue to go up, it's quite low. So I want it to be in my favor. That's how I think about it. Because you need to understand, for a stock, right, when the valuation is very, very stretched, very, very high, right, expectations from the market is also very high. So whenever they post a certain results that, slightly disappoint, okay, or never give a very blowout from the expectations from the analysts, right? Then the market, it doesn't deserve this kind of very high expensive valuation, and that's when it crash down. Yeah. So that's why we don't like, when invest in a company when the valuation are very, very expensive. So again, the next thing is all about risk management. Okay, I want to shift your mindset here is, yes, you don't to only focus on making money, yes, but you also need to think about how not to lose money. Okay, it's also all about risk management. So that's why whenever we want to invest, right, you like to invest in a company that's performing, can continue to grow, and only invest, let's say, is only at a reasonable or undervalued. This is our favorite part. Yeah, because whenever we invest this way, right, the price can continue to go up. Okay, but it's very heavily in our favor. It's a much higher chance because the price go down already, right? Okay, then we research, we find that, hey, apparently that this business is no issue. Okay, the market is just overreacting. So whenever the market somehow realizes suddenly that, hey, this business actually performed quite well, it's not wrong. That's when they re-rate the valuation, and that's when the prices go up. That's how we invest, okay, and put it on our heavily on our side, the chances. Yeah. So that's why it's all about risk management. We prefer to invest in companies that's more reasonably valued and undervalued. So that's why the chances of going up is at 80%. And of course, prices may still go down, because you must accept the fact when we invest in companies that the price go down, you must accept we never be able to catch the bottom. It may continue to go down. So that's why, but it will not go down for long. So that's why prices go down maybe around 20%, but the upside is lean heavily in our favor. All right. So this is how I view things here. Okay. So nonetheless, I know some of you, okay, perhaps are very worried Okay, some good stocks are really very good. You see there's nothing wrong with the company, all right, and you feel that you are very worried, okay, that that the price will go up. So if let's say you have a riskier appetite, okay, and you really believe in the company and you FOMO that the stock price will go up, right? Okay, this is what you can do here. Okay, now first, you can enter a small position first because you believe in the company, right? You know it will continue to go up over the long term, right? Although it's still expensive. Okay, then no issue. Okay, you want to at least take a stake. You want to have an interest in it. Okay, you can enter a small position first. All right, but slowly buy every month or quarter because you know the price is very expensive already. So you slowly buy so that you at least get the average price. Okay, so if let's say the price drops, you know that at least you have some funds because you never really enter everything, right? At least you have some funds here. So if there's a drop here, at least you have some fund, okay, to average down. If it goes up, I understand. Okay, you didn't enter a lot. You enter slowly a bit, but at least, hey, you didn't lose money. Okay, you still make money on top. Okay, you still when the friend continue to go up, you still make some money. But at least if the price drops, you are also assured that you have money to average down. So I feel this is a balance, okay, on on safeguarding your portfolio lah. Okay, so again, let me say this strategy here, okay, is for those you guys here who have a much riskier appetite lah. Okay, so I hope this video, this strategy here, at least I don't give you some idea on how to buy and sell certain stocks lah. Okay, so as a summary here for TSMC. So TSMC posts a positive quarter. Businesses are growing, and they are currently building 6 new fabrication plants, which is very, very good. Yeah, semiconductor demand, especially AI, are growing. But take note, okay, that the price of TSMC is very expensive right now. All right. So again, guys, again, thanks again for watching this video. I hope this, the updates from TSMC and my strategy on, the investing strategy just now benefit you guys in this video. So hey, if you like this kind of content, do continue to subscribe. And again, thanks guys, okay, for watching.